Hi students, problem number 6. A train takes 20 seconds to overtake a cyclist traveling at 9 km per hour. It takes 30 seconds to overtake another cyclist traveling at 18 km per hour. Find the length of the train. This is a very brilliant numerical problem. It has been asked in many competitive exams. First, understand the situation. There are two cyclists. The train is overtaking both the cyclist, means the hint given here is the train, cyclist 1 and cyclist 2 all are traveling in the same direction. Here the concept of relative speed we are going to use. When two objects are traveling in the same direction, means the relative speed is what? The relative speed is the difference of the speed of the train and the cyclist. So this is the concept. Now the actual speed of the train is not given and the length of the train also is unknown. So we will assume that let L be the length of the train. Let L be the length of a train. And X be the actual speed of a train. Now I will take the first case. In the first case, now the cyclist speed S1 is the speed of the cyclist. So this is equal to 9 km per hour. So this is 9 km per hour. So this is equal to 9 into 5 by 18 in meters per second. So the speed of the first cyclist I am converting from kilometer per hour into meters per second. So 9 2s are 18. So S1, therefore S1 must be equal to what? 5 by 2 meters per second. And the time taken to overtake the first cyclist is given as 20 seconds. Okay? Therefore, now this time must be equal to distance divided by relative speed. So the length of the train is L. This distance divided by the relative speed is x minus 5 by 2. X minus 5 by 2. So this implies left hand side is what? 20. So 20 is now equal to L divided by 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 divided by 2. So this is 20 is equal to 2L divided by 2x minus 5. So this implies 20 is equal to, or 20 by 2 I can write, no, this is a 10 equal to. So both sides I can cancel by 2. So 10 is equal to L divided by 2x minus 5. So this is equation 1. Have you understood up to this first step? So we have taken the length of the train as L and the speed of the train is X. So the speed of the first cyclist in kilometer per hour we have converted into meter per second. So what is the relative speed of the train with respect to the first cyclist must be equal to what? X minus 5 by 2. Okay? And LCM if I take means 2x minus 5 divided by 2. So this 2 is taken to the numerator as 2L. And this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore 10 is equal to L divided by 2x minus 5. Now similar steps we are going to the second cyclist. So the speed of the second cyclist is 18 km per hour. So S2 is equal to 18 kilometers per hour. So this is equal to 18 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So if you cut means this is equal to 5 meters per second. Okay? Therefore, the time taken, okay, is given as what? T2 is equal to 30 seconds. So T2 is equal to 30 seconds. Also T2 is equal to the length of the train divided by the relative speed of the train with respect to the second cyclist. So this must be equal to what? X minus 5. So T2 is 30. So this is 30 must be equal to, therefore 30 must be equal to L divided by x minus 5. This is our equation 2. Okay. So one equation is 10 is equal to L divided by 2x minus 5. And the next equation is what? 30 equal to L divided by x minus 5. Afterwards we have to solve for the length of the train, is it not? So now let us multiply here from the first equation. For the first equation I can write L is equal to 10 into, so L is equal to 10 multiplied by 2x minus 5. Then from the second equation L is equal to 30 multiplied by x minus 5. Now both left hand side are equal, therefore I can equate the right hand sides. So 10 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 30 into x minus 5. So this 0 can be cancelled. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 5 is 15. So this 15 is coming to the left hand side. 15 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2x, or x is equal to 10. So what is x actually is the speed of the train. So speed of the train is 10 meters per second. After finding this speed only, we can substitute the value of x either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Okay. So here L is equal to, here you can write L is equal to 10 into 2x minus 5, or L is equal to 30 into x minus 5. Therefore, length of the train we have to find out. So length of the train is, I can substitute here L is equal to 30 multiplied by x minus 5. So this is equal to 30 into x is how much? 10. So 10 minus 5. So this is equal to 30 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 150. Therefore, the length of the train must be equal to 150 meter. So we have determined the length of the train is 150 meter, which is the right answer. You see here, option D is the correct answer. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. This type of problem is very lengthy. Actually, it takes a little more time. In any competitive exam, no, you have to work it out and find the answer. So all these steps in shortcut method you will have to go. See, I have elaborated the conversions and all. By memory itself, you should know the conversion factors. Then we can reduce the time from a few minutes to few seconds. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.